Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make edible glitter at home. Before we start off with the video, please do check out our channel for other such videos. We show simple steps to get these amazing shades. Let us know in the comment section which shade you like the most and which shade you want to see next. We also show some quick and easy hacks which you can try at home. Now to start off with the video, first I'm going to take a pan and I'm going to place it on the stove. Once I've turned on the flame, I'm going to take in 500 ml of water and I'm going to pour into the pan. Now to this I'm going to add in 20 grams of corn flour. And I'm going to mix them together. After the corn flour and water is dissolved completely, I'm going to bring the mixture to a boil and I'm going to keep on mixing it vigorously. Guys, remember to stir it continuously like shown in the video because otherwise it's going to sit at the bottom and it's going to get burnt. So just keep mixing. As you keep mixing, you can notice that the mixture is kind of getting transparent now. Keep mixing until the color completely changes and it's fully transparent. You can also see it's getting thick now. It's no more watery. You can also see it's starting to boil now. This is how it should be. You can see it's bubbling now. Do not panic. This is how it's supposed to be. Just keep stirring. And remember to stir from the sides as well. I've been stirring the mixture for around 4 to 5 minutes. But then again, it also depends on the temperature you guys are heating it up at. I'm gonna reduce the temperature at its lowest to show you guys how it is. Once the temperature is reduced, you can see the mixture is now transparent. Now this is one way to get to know if your mixture is ready. Another way to get to know if your mixture is ready is to see if there is a formation of dry skin layer around the pan. And if there is a formation of dry skin layer around the pan, that means you've cooked the mixture at the right temperature. After turning off the flame and all the bubbling has stopped, you can see the mixture is now ready. I'm just gonna let it cool off for a while before transferring it into another bowl for coloring them. Do not transfer the hot liquid directly into the bowl as it will melt the bowl. You can see the liquid is completely transparent and thickened now. Once it's cooled down, I'm gonna pour it into 2 to 3 bowls depending on how many colors you require. So I will be needing two different color glitters, so I'm gonna pour it into two different bowls like shown in the video. I've taken red color first and I'm gonna add in few drops of red food color into it. You can add in whichever color you require. And with the help of a spoon, I'm gonna give it a good mix now. You can see I've got a very good shade of red color here. For the next shade, I've taken turquoise color. Add in a few drops and with the help of a spoon, mix them well together. Since I wanted a dark shade, I've added in few extra drops, but if you want a light shade, add in very little drops. As I keep mixing, you can see I've got a very nice dark shade of turquoise. After mixing both the colors, now the next step is to pour it on the acetate sheet. I'm going to show you how to do that. Next, I'm going to take the acetate sheet and I'm going to lay it out like this. You can get this at any stationery store near you. Then, with the help of a spoon, I'm going to pour the colored liquid onto the sheet as shown in the video. With the help of a spatula, I'm going to spread it around on the sheet as shown in the video. As you can see, I'm not spreading it too thin or too thick. I'm doing it in a nice uniform level. It's neither too thin or too thick. Make sure you spread it around really nicely and be careful about spreading it outside the sheet. I'm going to repeat the same process with the other color as well now. Guys, just a reminder, make sure you spread it completely on the sheet. After spreading both the colors on the acetone sheet, I'm gonna let it dry naturally for 24 hours. You can let it dry under the fan also, but minimum of 24 hours is definitely required for it to dry completely. After letting it dry for 24 hours, I've peeled it off the sheet and this is how it is. Now I'm gonna put them into the blender and I'm gonna grind them to fine bits. I'm gonna repeat the same process with the turquoise color as well. I will now show you how it looks after it's blended. After blending it for few minutes, this is the texture I've got. Now this is one way to decorate your cake. You can see how nice it looks. Now for the turquoise one, I've blended it completely. This is the second texture. You can see how well it's blended and it looks exactly like the glitter powder. As you can see guys, this is an easy way to get glitter powder at home. Thank you for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe and turn on the bell icon to get notified on our new videos.